Kevin was surprised.
Sling my hook! We don't fix cars!
We are on another hunt. It is day 10 of our Steamies of Sodor backyard hunt. And
today is all about Kevin. Let's go! Welcome back.
we took this hunt to the beautiful countrysides of Clarendon. But before we go hunting, let's find out more about Kevin. Kevin is a friendly crane who works with Victor at the Sodor Steamworks, helping to repair the engines. While he may be inexperienced, he's always ready to lend a helping hook. Kevin can sometimes drive Victor mad, but together they make a really useful team.
And that's the end.
Good. Who is this?
Kevin,
Yeah? You wanna go searching for Kevin?
let's go. Let's find Kevin. Six.
Let's go this way.
This way.
Right here. Come here. Let's see what's happening over here. Oh, I see something.
See over.
What is that? What's that?
It's over a box.
What's that? Who gave you the book? Whose book is this?
This cookie. Let's search.
Let's search. Okay, let's try here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's search. Let's go that way.
Let's go that way.
Yeah. You see anything? Ooh, let's see what it is. Something good. Ooh, let's go. Let's see. Step.
Let's go.
Ooh,
Go find Kevin.
let's find Kevin. Ooh, anything over there?
Kevin over there.
Nothing? You don't see anything?
Or maybe something else.
Oh, okay. Nothing? All right, come this way. Let's see. Let's look. Maybe look in these little places.
Look. See trees.
You see? No? You don't see anything?
This
Nothing? All right. How about?
over there.
Let's see. See anything?
Oh, it's Kevin.
You found Kevin.
What's going on?
What's going on?
What's going on?
Yeah. You found Kevin.
Yeah. She's a crane.
She's a crane, yeah, or he's a crane. Sorry.
What kind is this one? Wearing teeth. We're not ready for the dog today. Yes, Kevin. Kevin! And Victor is Sodor. The sticky and nasty tumble. Yeah, I'm going to get him points. Oi.
Kevin, please. Finally, Kevin joins Victor at the Steamworks. Welcome to the rail yard, Kevin.
Thanks for watching. Bye.